Hello there. Welcome to Walls to Wonders.
Well, hello there. We're back at Walls to Wonders, and we're going to try and do a little. It's going to be a lot of trees, a lot of a lot of pine trees, and some water. I don't know what we're going to call it yet. Let's get going. I got a little background stuff going here. We'll get going on it. First thing we want to do is get some trees right in here. These are going to be kind of light, these trees. Yeah, so now we're going to put a little bit of dark stuff in there. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to try this here. It's black. Here we got to do a little black stuff here. I'm going to go out like this, but I don't know. If it don't work for me, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, I think, with a small brush. I think I'm going to go with a small brush. I ain't good with that knife on that kind of thing here. See? Yeah. And do that. Get even a smaller brush here. I'm going to do some smaller stuff here. And go back to the big stuff. And it wasn't supposed to be an X. It's supposed to be like this here. Now it's let me hear. It's a look at that real big one here. Now this. See the black. Here, get the back into the black again, huh? It's Uh, Now let's take the little brush. Come here. Take the little brush. Take a little here. Take a little bit of this. And then one here. Okay. And we're getting something there. We got that going. Now, we're going to do some bigger trees. And that, let's see that back in the back. I'm going to do a little white over that a little bit later, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to go with these. We're going to do some real, trying to do a nice tree, not what we got there going. So we're going to start down lower with the first tree here. Now here. Now the next one is going to be real high. And we're going to put a small one in here. I'm trying to get this little fan brush here. I don't know if it's too soft, I think, but I'll try it. I think I'm going to go back to pine tree school. I ain't getting too good here. Because I wanted that to be sharp up there. got more here. A lot of trees here, but they're not that great. Now, I'm not doing a lot of talking, as you can tell. I'm serious here. I'm real serious here. See? And then here. I need a little one more black in it. Oh, yeah. Now, here, so yeah, and that, and want to put a little bit of something here. Let's say, maybe not quite that dark. See how here. Yeah. Now, let's see if we can work that out a little bit. Oh, yeah. Now, yeah, here. Run this down here. Yeah. Oh, water. Now, see a little bit of it over here. Yeah, beautiful. Put that over here. Again, we're going to put that out there. Yeah. Now, one more little area there. Got to do something there. Got to wash out this brush real good. I don't know if that. Let's see. What do we got to do down in there? And gonna be clear up into there. Now, what was supposed to happen, I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Well, see what it looks like might do. We're supposed to get a little more white over here. So adios, that's it. I mean, that's it. It's a quickie.